Hello everyone. We will quickly guide you through template approval process on Tata. Open Tata DLT website and log into your account. Go to Content Template and then click on Content Template Registration. This is very important. There are 4 types of communication templates. Read all instructions carefully and select wisely. Adding company, brand name is mandatory in each SMS. First type of template is Promotional SMS. Suppose you want to send a promotional SMS to mass, use this SMS type. Promotional SMS are delivered to those who wish to receive promotions. This SMS shall not delivered to people registered in Do Not Disturb. Also, one need to select numeric sender ID for promotional SMS templates. Second type of template is Service Explicit SMS. When you want to send SMS to your registered customer who has opted in or given consent for receiving such SMS, you will use Service Explicit SMS. Third type of template, Service Implicit Template. This type of template is used when you are sending SMS for an existing transaction. It can be AOTP SMS, renewal reminder, payment reminder, dispatch detail etc. Basically, it is a necessary SMS for an existing or new customer recipient. Fourth type of template, the Transactional SMS. This is of use to banks who wish to send daily balance, OTP etc. transactional SMSs. Now let's add one template. Select appropriate options for template. Type your message. It is mandatory to add company, brand name in each template form recognition of sender. Adding curl bracket #var #curl bracket enables you change the variable part of your message. For example, you can add VAR for date, amount, invoice number, courier number, phone number, marks etc. as per your requirement. Enter proper justification in justification area. For example, SMS sent to members who have registered to receive SMS from ABC company. OTP SMS for online purchase transaction. Delivery notification SMS. etc. Hooray, template approval tutorial is all done. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. Subscribe now to view more useful videos from Rapid SMS. For any queries, email us on support@rapidsms.co.in. Don't forget to mention your Rapid SMS account details with query.